ready for you now.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I am cleaning and decorating for Valentine's Day, and a few things are getting moved around in the house. My kids, right now, there's no couches in the den, but there will be when I am like decorating for Valentine's, because my kids moved the other couches in here. Right now, I was just getting some curtains put up because I was waiting on our new couch to get delivered. And I am so obsessed with that couch, y'all. I am loving it. You guys will see it here in a few minutes. But I was just getting curtains changed out because I had those dark gray curtains up to the window. And I'm really trying to move away from a lot of the darker colors. I'm trying to make the house a little bit more brighter. And so I was just getting these darker curtains down so I can get my white ones up. And I am loving these curtains. I did find these at Ollie's, and they were $25 for a pack of 4. And I need to get new curtain rods. I just haven't found the ones I want because I'm not the type of person that's going to settle for something. If it's not what I want, I'm not getting it. And I have one curtain rod, but I don't have enough for the other 2 windows, so I haven't put them up yet. Because I had bought 2 of them for my bedroom because I thought I was going to need to use both of those curtain rods because it's like a big long window, but I didn't. So the other one is just sitting in my closet. So I'm trying to find the other 2 that will match that because the house is just this open concept. So I want my curtains and my curtain rods to match. I'm just weird that away, you guys. But I'm just slowly getting things for the house, and it takes me a while because, like I said, I am not the type of person that's going to settle. I want what I want, and if I can't find it, I'm not getting it. I'm just not going to waste my money until I find exactly what it is I'm looking for. Just like with my couch. We had bought the reclining couch and love seats. Not a fan, was not loving it at all. But and then Valkyrie, when we got her, and she has bad separation anxiety, she ate the back of the recliner and the couch, and I just didn't buy another couch for a while because I didn't really know exactly what I wanted. I knew I wanted a sectional, but I wasn't 100% sure on what I wanted. So I just kept it until I finally found what I wanted. And I'm loving it because I just don't want to spend unnecessary money that I don't need to spend. So
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know.
So the new couch finally got delivered, and I am obsessed with this couch. It is a soft fabric, and it's just cozy, and I have been loving this couch. And I went with the lighter color, which it's been kind of stressing me with the dogs because our backyard floods when it rains. So I literally have to wipe the dogs' legs and feet and then dry them before they even come in the house. So I have a wet rag at the back door and a towel at all times. Like, as soon as I let them out, right before they come in, I have to go get my wet rag and a towel so I can clean their feet and everything, just so I can keep it clean. It comes clean pretty easily, but still, it kind of stresses me out. But right here, I was just looking to see what wallflowers I had, and I didn't really have any that I liked. That one, I actually found those like at the Dollar General, and not a fan. They don't really smell that great. But I always go to Bath and Body Works to get all of my wallflowers, and that is what I use in my oil diffusers because it makes the house smell so good. I just get my husband's pliers and I pull the wick out, and then I just pour a little bit of that in with some water in the diffuser, and my house smells awesome. But I actually was needing to go get some more because I did not have any. So the rest of the couches just kind of got put in the den. They're not all going to stay in here. They're just here for now. I think what I want to do is for the two dark couches, I'm going to get some couch covers to put on those and keep those in the den. And then this tan one is just going to get, I'm just going to go ahead and take that one to Goodwill because there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, we've had it forever.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my.
So now I'm just going to take this Tide fabric spray. It kills like 99% bacteria and odors, and I love to use this on all of my furniture, and because with the dogs, it just makes it smell better.
It's not under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say it bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, like I do.
So we are some coffee drinking fools in this house. My husband just bought me an espresso maker. I had been telling him for a while that I wanted one, so he finally bought me one, and I have been loving it. So now I got two coffee sections though. So eventually when I find the coffee bar I want, I will get it, because oh my god, it is driving me crazy to have my Keurig set up here, and then on the bar the espresso maker is over there. So I just got to get everything situated and organized, because I eventually would like to get a lot of this stuff off of my countertops. It really bothers me to have a bunch of stuff on top of my counters.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And all my boxes that need to go out. We had ordered Home Chef, and I have really been loving them. They're kind of like HelloFresh. I had recorded a video of unboxing Home Chef, but I don't know what happened to it. But so we get this. This was the first time we got it, and I had ordered 6 meals, and that's what those boxes are from. But it has been awesome. I have been loving it. Your first box, if you have military, you get a 50% off of your first box. But I do plan on doing a review on them when I get my next box. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye!